Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to cook one of the best Maharashtrian food snack, that is misal pav. So let's move to the video. For this we need dry red chilies, dry coconut, ginger, green chilies, chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, and the important ingredient, that is sprout. You can use any sprout that you want. For this we need a pan. Add our dry coconut into it. Roast it nicely and then add some ginger, to this add some red chilies, and then add some chopped onions. And to this mixture add some oil. To this mixture add some green chilies, approximately 2 to 3 green chilies. But one thing, that for the misal the masala is very important, so watch it carefully and follow the ingredients. To this add some chopped tomatoes. I have used here approximately 2 tomatoes. To this add some salt, so that it would also release some moisture, and taste too. With this our masala is ready to grind. Oil is one of the important ingredients for our misal to be tastier, because misal also has some tarri, which is also known as cut in Marathi. For this you need enough amount of oil. In this oil we are going to add our mixture, that is our masala. Mix the masala so well with the oil that the oil gets separated from it, and once it starts separating, that means your masala is ready. This mixture of masala and oil is going to give a nice color to your misal and also the curd that it needs. So it's very important to cook it nicely. Once the oil starts separating, it's time to add some masala to your misal. We are going to add some red chili powder, some turmeric, some garam masala, and some coriander powder. All the masalas are according to your preferences, how spicy you want your masala to be. Once your masala has the proper brown shade, it's time to add our important and the main ingredient, that is the sprout. And then add some hot water to your mixture. Now there is no exact amount of how much water to add. You can add the water according to the consistency that you want your misal to have. Now let your missile boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes. At the end, when the oil starts separating from the masala, your missile is ready to serve. Now this different oil layer that is formed around your missile is what is called as curd. So for this curd to create, it is very important to add a correct amount of oil in your mixture. Now let's see how to place this missile. Add some gravy at the bottom first with some sprout and then add some dry shave. You can get this save at any grocery shop. And then add some more gravy over it to make it a bit moist and not that crunchy. And then add some chopped onions and some freshly chopped coriander, and your missile is ready to serve with some slice of bread. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you try this recipe, let me know in the comment box how it was. And do follow me on Instagram. I'll leave the ID in the description box below. Thanks and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.